The first Sunday of Advent, I am preparing lunch. It will be grilled fish with and eggplant salad. So I need to make a dipping sauce. Dipping sauce would be calamansi with soy sauce. Here is the calamansi tree. I'm going to harvest those calamansi that are like orange already. They are like ripe. The calamansi, they are huge. And there's a lot of them. You see here and over there too. Need some green onions too for both the grilled fish and then the eggplant salad. Here's our green onions. My garden harvest calamansi and green onions. Here are the eggplants. I'll just make I grill them or I broil them. So I just need to make them into salad. I just need to peel off the skin and then add tomatoes. So just like sort of mash the eggplant like that. And then I chopped red onion, tomatoes, and the green onion from the garden here. So just like corn salt, and then this on top, and then the vinegar. And then this, I'm using this Filipino vinegar. Like that. Now I'm going to grill the fish while this is being soaked on a vinegar. So this is the eggplant salad. Now I am going to grill the fish. This is sea bream, or like broil. I'm going to broil the fish. Make sure it doesn't stick here. Oh, I need to butterfly this. So this is sea bream. I just need to broil this. I'll use Knorr liquid seasoning. Bell pepper and red onion, and then garlic. Like that. While the fish is on the broiler, I am going to make the dipping sauce and also calamansi juice. Look at us, look at this calamansi. Some of them are huge. Dipping sauce and calamansi juice. The smell of the calamansi is mouth-watering. And then soy sauce. I'm using this like soy sauce. So that's our dipping sauce. And then moving on to the calamansi juice. And here's our lunch. Today is the first Sunday of Advent. So we have broiled fish, broiled sea bream, and then the eggplant salad. And then the dipping sauce, the eggplant salad with green onion from the garden. And then the dipping sauce, calamansi and soy sauce with calamansi from the garden. And then we have calamansi juice. Happy first Sunday of Advent. Daddy, eating time. Josh.
We're putting the nativity set together.
That's right. It was so windy when we were on vacation. That's why there's a lot of this like pine needles. And the gardener wasn't able to clean them up. Very nice, Josh.
Yeah.
Now it's so nice. Now we have to put the other decorations.
Yes, like the snowman.
Yes. Want to put the snowman too? Okay. Check this if this still like works.
Okay, let's go.
Before we put it on the tree. Oh, it does. There you go.
Whoa.
Let's put this on the pine tree. I'm going to put on the pine tree over there.
It looks like so majestic. Majestic yard, like a majestic front yard. Our front yard will be a majestic front yard. I didn't know how to see that. Mommy, do you see all these connecting? Mommy, do you see these all connecting?
I'm going to put this here because I need to collect more stuff.
Connect more stuff? If you need to connect stuff, I'm your back. Wait, Mommy, I need to do something. This is not grills.
Just every one thing, you know.
So we're putting up the lights. We're putting up the lights. These look like, Mommy, these look so majestic when they're in the tree. No, I think one is broken. We need to cut it.
Here, that's the bulb that is broken from here. It starts here. Oh, it won't. It's like
What?
it's like.
Oh yeah.
Josh,
Hi, Mommy.
how are you doing there?
I'm good. There's light.
I know.
We're going to put it in the bush.
Hmm.
We're going to put it in the bush.
Which bush?
That.
That bush? Oh, that one should be a little bit here too. Couldn't see it from here. Over there too.
So this is the nativity set,
Mhm.
and this is the light bulbs. Light bulbs.
Mm-hmm.
And here are the other lights we put in the bush.
That's right. Now it's time to decorate the
Christmas tree.
yay!
This is how far I decorated the Christmas tree.
Good job, Josh.
I did half of the bottom. One. And there we go.
Awesome.